Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mubashir Sharif, and in this video, we are going to make a compiler related project. This compiler is being prepared by the class DSCS6 regular, which belongs to the department CS and IT of University of Sargodha. And this project is actually being presented to the Honorable Professor Mudassir Ali Zaidi, and my group representatives are as follow. First one is Muhammad Kazim, his roll number is 34. The second one is Usama Manzoor, his roll number is 19. The third one is Wasif Saeed, his roll number is 38. And fourth one is mine, Mubashir Sharif, and mine roll number is 37. Now, I am gonna show you that what are basically the rules that we are going to follow and construct a new compiler based on our own constructed rules. So there are different type of rules that we are going to use in construction of our compiler. Basically, three major rules are being used. First one is the implementation of variable naming rules. So we are going to use some rules for changing the variables. The first rule regarding the changing of variable is that our variable will be started from a single digit letter. As usual, we see that the variable is started from a capital letter and it is related to a alphabet. But in our rule, we will make, as I already said, that we are going to make our own programming language. So regarding that programming language, we are going to make a compiler, and we are going to make a new variable, and its first rule is that we are using the variable which will start from a single digit, which will be from 0 to 9, it may be. The second rule regarding that variable is that it will end at a capital alphabet, or we may say capital letter. The third one is, as the variable is starting from a digit and ending at the capital letter. Now the third one is that where are the small letters. So these small letters are in between those digits and the capital letters, and it can be more than one, but at least one small letter is actually necessary. It must be used. So these are four major rules that are going to be followed regarding the variable namings. And the second rule that we are following in this compiler construction is the use of unique or reserved keywords. Now, what are these reserved keywords? Regarding that, we have fixed a rule that those reserved words must start with two capital letters. Means that its firstly two letters will be capital. Now, what are the keywords that we are going to use in our compiler is these are the keywords or reserved words. Actually, these are the basically the name of our group mates, Mubashir, Wasif, Kazim, and Usama. And actually, as I already told that in the previous rule, the first two letters are actually the capital letters. So these are the reserved words. These five are the reserved words which we are going to use. And the third rule is regarding the change of statement terminator. So as usual in C++, we see that semicolon is used to show that here the statement specific terminator has been ended. But here, as we are making our new compiler for a specific our own programming language, so for that we are using hash, and we are using actually at the rate of and hash as a new statement terminator. So all of these basically the rules that will be used for the construction of compiler. Now we will show you the live implementation of all of these rules, and one of our group member Wasif Saeed will show you a code, and here and that code he will briefly elaborate you that how all of these rules are being implemented there, and we will see that how can we make our new compiler using all of these rules. So let us now straightforwardly move toward the implementation of all of these rules.